my next question is, what type of organizations usually seek out this service? Like, is this service maybe better for one type of organization rather than another type of organization? Or is it the same across the field?
Really, it's the same across the board because of the technology that we use, there's nothing special that we do for one organization or individual as opposed to the other. It's a process defined by, it's an internal AI process that we've developed. So it equals the playing field. Our grant writing service is appropriate for large organizations. It's appropriate for small organizations. It's appropriate for the individual who's looking to get grants. Maybe you're an artist, you're a musician, etc. It's wonderful for faith-based organizations that, are always stretched thin on resources and time. It just creates an equal playing field for anyone who's seeking funding to, establish their vision in the not-for-profit sector.
And you talked about process, but what does this process, for example, let's say I'm a new client. What is the process like to get started with Tribe Digital and this AI grant writing service?
So our process starts by visiting our website, which is tribedigital.ca/grants. There you'll see a video of a wonderful guy giving you information about the AI grant writing process. And what we ask you to do is fill out a form, an online form, give us a bit of information so that a team member can get back to you. And then once one of our team members gets back to you, we begin the process of, learning about your organization, giving you info on, specific grants that you may feel are appropriate and that have been sort of spit out by our technology. And then we work with you. We actually work with you to ensure that you have the best grant application possible to submit to the funder. The second group that really has seemed to come on board is grant writers themselves. We're now getting a lot of grantors. So somebody who you've gone to write a grant is probably marking things up. They probably have come to us and asked us to do it. But anyhow, I'm not getting into that. But we do have grant writers who come to us and say, you know what, I'm overwhelmed, etc. Can you guys, take on this grant, or can you show me how to use your technology to do it? Which we will not do because it's an internal process. We spent time developing it. We know that it works. And so if you're looking to really elevate your grant game, visit us at tribedigital.ca/grants. If you're a not-for-profit, if you're a church, a mosque, a faith-based organization, if you're an individual or an entrepreneur, and you are confused about how to really access grant funding, or you want to elevate the level of grant funding that you are currently accessing, I would say give us a call, connect with us, visit the website, because it's getting more and more competitive in the grant landscape. And there are so many fantastic organizations that are missing out on the resources that they need and I think deserve, just because they don't have a strategy when it comes to accessing grant funding. And we can help you with that strategy. We can help you writing the grants. We can really help you impact the community in the way that you should be impacting your community. So connect with us at tribedigital.ca/grants and let's see what we can do for you.